Today on TC Finds, we buy an ambulance. Right? Right, Lucy?
Of course.
Of course. Just kidding. Bought a few trucks. Ay, caramba. Let's see if we can get it out or even get to it. Scratching the piss out of the truck. Ugh. We gotta hurry today. It's getting dork quick. Oh boy. Ow! Again. Did you catch that? Ugh. Whacked me. I got whacked. Okay. Okay. We're gonna turn around first today because it was hard to turn around last time. Oh yeah. Here's the CHRUCK section. Yep, and there she be. 93 Ford diesel.
It's alive! Because his head's too fat to fit one.
You know what we gotta do is turn the key.
It's happening!
Beauty is only skin deep. Ugly goes to the bone. Hello and welcome to another episode of TC Finds. I'm Tyler Dylan Cox.
And I'm Zane Edwards.
Right here is a 1993 Ford turbo diesel. No, it's not a Power Stroke. It's not. It's a rare before Power Stroke turboed, naturally aspirated, or what would have been 7.3. It's a 7.3. It's got tires and stuff. Let's take a gander at it and see if it's even worth anything.
I did not know these existed.
You didn't know these existed? Oh, well, now you do.
I know nothing about Fergs.
Well, I don't either.
Ooh, quick steel for the win over the leaking plug.
They all leak. Mine leaked, and I did that until Jared actually fixed it right for me. I really like these Road Warrior batteries. Really like them. Like the way they feel on my hands. It all looks to be here. It has live creatures in it. They have to be alive. They have to be up in there somewhere. A lot of fresh poop. We got some type of malarkey switches. I think this is a newer wheel on the older trucks. That's kind of neat. Yes, it is a 5-speed. Yes! It is only an XL, so no power. It's better that way. Here's probably the original wheel or miscellaneous parts of one. Ugh. Not looking forward to cleaning this one, folks. The bed is probably not the original bed because you can see it used to be white and it's just kind of been hazed. Some type of newer Ford wheel, perhaps. Tailgate fell open when I was bringing it home. It's perfectly fine. Heavy duty rear bumper. Side steps for King Kong. That's kind of my favorite part about the truck. F350, so that means solid front axle. We got a couple batteries and a lot of poop. So maybe we'll do some good for the world.
Hopefully. A whopping 190 brake horsepower at 3,000 RPMs.
Believe it? Believe it?
How'd they get anything accomplished in the early 90s?
You need a battery installation tool. There. Ooh, a lot of clicks. A lot of clicks. Installed. Here's some installation tools for you, good sir. This video is not brought to you in part by rain, but if you want to bring it in part with me, give me a ring. Do we have keys? Oh, it's just scary in here. Oh, we have a lot of motion, probably too much. Look, I'm trying to put those on my butt. Kind of worky.
There it goes again. Oh.
Gremlins or rats or both. So I'm gonna just turn the key and see what happens. Whoa!
You found the sweet spot.
Yeah, I can't see how many miles are on it though.
No?
I'm just gonna crank it for fun. Ooh, I have no like key off.
Really?
Wonder if it's a switch down here.
I heard things turn off. I hear stuff clunking. I bet it's that switch.
Yeah, I bet the switch controls my ignition. I'm gonna crank a little more.
Okay.
Want to bleed it and I'll crank it?
I don't care. Nothing. Nothing.
Maybe we should pull that filter off and see
And see what?
if there's fuel in it.
In the filter?
Yeah.
Oh, the fuel filter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess it wouldn't hurt.
I could just open the drain that's closed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yours? Got it?
She'll come off. Oh yeah.
I don't see nothing dripping yet.
We barely. Whew. Ugh. Something don't smell good there. That smells like gas, right?
Yep. That smells like old gasoline.
That smells like old gas, but it has a feel of old diesel. My schnoz ain't working too good today, but that's a weird smell. That is weird. I guess we could see if anything comes out when we crank it. Now tell us if the
I'm gonna dump this out.
pump is working or not.
I fire and style. Let me crank it.
Sure. So we should be able to see here if we get fuel coming out of this, and that'll tell us if that little lift pump down there is working.
You leave the switch on or off?
I think the switch is off.
Ready?
Yep. All right. Lift pump is bad.
Yay!
Yep. That tells us that. So I guess we gotta finagle that little feller out of here. So I just yanked this little line here to take it off. And this is the fuel inlet. So somebody was trying to jump this thing. And they probably used gasoline.
Yep.
Ugh. That's fine. So where's our original? There's our original from our tank right here. So either way, we're going to pull that off. Hope for the best. It's New Year's Day, so I don't know if any auto parts stores are open.
I'm not sure.
We'll have to call around.
I would think they would be.
So we are back with diesel. So we're going to fill the gas-filled filter with diesel. We're going to put it there. then hook a fuel line, this fancy fuel line, to it and see if we get some pumping diesel. So we have that plumbed up, so we're gonna crank it and see if we get fuel here.
Red eye?
Yep, might be bad.
Dang it.
Yep. We need parts. We pulled the lift pump and I guess it's bad. Found return lines and stuff doing things they shouldn't. So we're gonna hook all this together. And my wife went to go pick up a new lift pump. So we shall wait. So while we waiting for the injection pump, we decided to kind of go through it, and looky here. Return line, or lines to build all your return lines, and O-rings, clamps, all this good stuff.
You hear that?
Did the compressor finally die? Look at that. She blew a rod?
Got an Allen wrench?
Maybe.
Well, I would say we take the head off, but we got to unscrew all this.
Ooh. The goose gived up. It might be broken.
I'd say so.
We got a little air in it though. Alrighty, shiny new fuel pump, fresh diesel, filled up filter.
Lots of hopes and dreams.
They're gonna be right down the old turlet here shortly. But at least we know we should have fuel pumpage.
This gonna be okay?
Sure.
Sure, I better touch it.
It's fine. Fixed. Fixed.
Yeah.
Fixed.
Maybe. Don't look at it too hard.
Send it. Ooh, a lot of air. Okay. Ooh. Sounds like.
You have jumper cables?
Actually, I think I do. Guess we should hook them up now. So we got the Ford charging that one, and then we got the Prospector charging this one. And yeah, these batteries are brand new, but they've been getting worked pretty hard. So we're gonna just keep priming and see what happens. We found this in it. Surely it'll do some type of good. All right. Ooh. That's it wanting to. Yeah. Oh boy, now that we're out of battery.
Battery?
The big guns. For happenstance. Let me check for air. All right. She's got all the huevos.
You got it squirted or no?
I'm gonna, let's wait and not squirt again.
Just squirted it to start.
Sorry. Tell me when. Okay, yep. What about you cracking injector lines? All right. Ready? Yep. Hagwood start. Box is on. Spray is in hand. Glow plugs are about to be engaged. All right. Go. Glow plug. Now we're getting some heat in the block. Finally! Turbo's working! Seatbelt idle! Can't tell what that little sound is. Oh, it might suck it in. I guess we could shut off the other trucks and listen to it run. Well, she is running on her own power. We have disconnected the jumper cables and the jump box. Our fuel line situation is not perfect in there, so it could run out of fuel. Bet it ran out of fuel.
What?
I bet it ran out of fuel.
Probably.
Ran out of fuel.
Well, it did something.
It ran.
It did something.
Now to come fill it up with Big Blue and see if we get to run off its tank. Yes. We have rubber, huh?
See, it's been on a number of our trucks.
A number of them. These tires are like a $2 or something. But they're still working.
On $1 off coupon night.
Yep, exactly. Anyways, they've been around the block. So now they could go on our dear Ford. I guess we need to lift it with the Bobcat because I don't have a jack.
Way to suck.
Yep. hug her a little closer.
What?
Maybe hug her closer. Got the no go. Got the no go. Hi. These freaking boat anchors.
We're not winning.
Not yet. Alright, we mustered my crappy old jack that's missing a handle. We're using world's shortest handle, so that's one of the world's heaviest tracks.
Pretty sad when a $12 jack will lift a truck, but a $60,000 Bobcat won't.
No.
You only got 12 feet to go.
That's fine. Yeah. Yeah. From bow to wow. Oh. You know you're doing the Lord's work sometimes. You just get that good feeling in your heart. That's downright proper, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's exactly what I was going for.
Stuff. Well, if she had 12 horsepower before, now she's got 7.
Yep. Pretty much.
And now it'll do 100. Eventually.
One day. Well, we're moving old Smokey out of the way to make room to get the Bobcat behind it. But look at that. Amazing. Oh. That is what dreams are made of. Right there. Right there. Time to hit the rear. At least it'll do that. You know why those aren't coming off? It's because they're wacky new Ford wheels that are wedged onto your big old fat old hubs.
Yep.
Huh.
Nice. Where's the sledgehammer?
We need the sledge. Time for the
Or-
sledgehammer.
Or do we loosen both of them? You set it down a little bit.
That sounds like work. I got the sledge handy.
You'd rather use the sledge over the Bobcat?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Are you sick? I think he's sick. He never wants to do anything the right way.
Mira, see right way.
Remember, kids, safety third when you're trusting hydraulics. Get under the truck.
This has rear disc brakes.
Really?
Yes.
Then that is...
That's not factory.
I was going to say, I don't think... Huh.
That's what I'm saying.
That's very interesting.
Jeez Louise. It's kind of coming. Maybe I...
Barely.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Roll it off. Hang on. Hang on. Let me roll it. And I'll keep some pressure. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that's factory. But it might be. Who knows? But look how stubby
The hub is.
yeah, compared to how they usually are. Maybe it's a,
This caliper has the Ford symbol upside down.
yeah, maybe they converted it. Maybe they're like Chevrolets. You can put the newer stuff on the older stuff.
We got e-brake cables hanging out.
Huh.
Here, let me bring y'all in for a closer look. What is this? What is it? It's disc brakes, which is really good. But see that their emblem's upside down. We got e-brake cables and stuff. I did not notice that. Oh, the quality hitch. Oh yeah, it's welded. But yeah, that's not a lot. Typically, you got a snout out here on your hubs. sticking out. Don't know what that is, but it's a win if they work. So that does not want to fit. Which these Ford wheels are like the factory vehicle universal rim. Like, you see these on everything. They're on my trailer, they're on all of it, and that hub hole is huge, but how's it not fitting that? That's ridiculous. Well, do we get a spacer maybe?
Hang on.
Or do we get a grinder?
Happen to have something.
Oh.
Maybe it's just some buildup.
Oh, maybe. On both counts, the wheel and the hub. That smells really nice.
Doesn't it?
Survey says almost. Survey says use your feet. Or you want me to do it?
You do it.
Fine.
So that's definitely about 3/16 of an inch wider pattern. So that means this is a 2003 or newer.
Axle?
Yeah, because 02 was the last year of the, right?
Something like that.
01 or 02.
Is when they went and
No,
switched
no.
and
It wasn't that long.
anywho's, at some point Ford decided to be stupid and go with their own thing, so all the old stuff doesn't work. Now what?
Conversion adapters or bad things? Talking about drill bits.
Yes, yes, drill bits. Drill bits for the win. Well, gang, hopefully this wheel debacle doesn't put a halt on our progress for today. But until then, Zane went to go find a solution to the problem. I brought my blower because I'm not going to drive that truck with the way it smells, with the amount of poop. So let's get to blowing. That's called the thingamadoodle. And this is a one of these. Oh, that's a horn cover, I know that. Yeah, he must have taken the old column and blinker switch and everything out of this truck and put in that newer one. Oh, we got the bezel. Bezel ain't bad. We'll save that. A free rear driver. Oh, that's not a quarter. Glove box full of poop. Ugh. Ugh. Stuff. Factory steering wheel. Okay, now I can blow this out.
It's yours to butcher. I ain't doing it on camera.
Oh, I'll do it on camera all day. As a non-professional, I have to say, we're professionally doing this. We're acknowledging this is wrong, so don't do it. But because we're acknowledging it's wrong, there's somehow some justification there. So we're doing what's right for the cause. And the cause is, well, we couldn't run those ugly wheels with these nice fancy stock ones. So sometimes you gotta do the wrong thing to be right. The wheel is now on, as you see. No comment. Just take it as it is. It's on. So it could be there and sit there and look pretty all day. But there's another issue at hand. Wah, wah, wah. God dang it. We need adapters, which we don't have today. So we're going to have to put the stock wheels back on for the day. Urgh! My day's just a little bit ruined because of that. But we will press on and keep on doing the thing.
I even brought other fun tools to play with if we need them.
So. Oh, we're going to need it.
And a whole satchel of blades.
Oh, what a nice satchel. We haven't used that word on the channel, I don't think.
No? Well, now we have.
Satchel. We're going to need that. Because come take a look over here. Y'all come take a quick peek. Quickie peeks. Ain't gonna fly, guy. Now that the wheels won't work, we might as well put fuel in the stupid hag so it'll work, right?
Yep.
Small price to pay for disc brakes. We could just pretend it looks all the way good. And that looks really, really good. Now to feed off this mama pig and give the baby a little milk.
Now here's to hoping.
Yep. We have all the lines hooked up. So now to start the bleeding process. It's a lot warmer today than the other day, so maybe she'll just pop off a little bit quicker knowing she's about to live. There's hope. So today is the day we're gonna drive the truck, in theory. It's warm, so we're gonna glow plug and bleed and go through all that again. We'll catch up with you when it starts.
So which one?
Want to man the throttle? Maybe?
Which one was it? This one, right?
Uh-huh. Mm. She's running a little rough. It is cold. I don't know if she's healthy. I don't know if she's healthy. Zane has so generously sacrificed himself to sit in the poop-filled truck to see if it will move. Oh yeah. Ooh. We need the Sawzall. Okay. Brakes? No brakes. Maybe they're coming around. The reservoir was pretty empty.
The brake pedal feels like a clutch pedal.
Really? I bet it needs a master. Well, want to pull over by the compressor to air up the tires?
By that shed?
Yeah.
If it'll turn?
Yeah.
Cut on the bumper first.
No self-clearance.
Love it.
I can't tell if it's good or bad.
Yeah, I don't know.
Well, maybe we pull over burn pile, empty all that air trash out, and we pull the headliner.
And put the air filter back on.
Excuse me?
Put the air filter back on.
Oh, I suppose. All right, Miss Daisy, where do you wish to go?
To the pile. Remember, no brakes.
Brakes are for amateurs.
It's a little crunchy. That's one way to do it.
Oh, we don't have power steering, do we?
Nope.
Well, we're just low on fluid. Huh. We should check that.
Maybe.
Power steering's a luxury that I enjoy.
See, it feels like clutch pedal, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
You can do it.
And if you can't, we all can tell. Who said that, folks? You tell me. Tony Little said that.
Wait, somebody parked their ugly red Ford in the way for you to get through.
We'll just push it.
Oh no!
Wow. Look, you just turn the wheel a little bit and it has brakes all of a sudden. Well, I guess we'll move some trucks out of the way. Seems like it's clearing up, maybe a tickle.
Yeah.
We're just gonna dump a little bit of this down the old hatch here. There we go. Well, it didn't suck much more down, but that's okay. We'll just leave that just like that. Should we clearance or no?
What are we doing?
Cutting the bumper?
Over there now.
Oh, we'll back up then.
Okay.
Funny how in 2 recent episodes we find ourselves doing fabrication. Bingo!
We can juice it back on later.
Exactly. So I think I'm going to install the rear air filter. So we're gonna turn the truck. Don't turn off, it only turns off right here. Maybe it'll restart. Door doesn't shut anymore, that's fine. So let's see if it restarts. Oh.
Shit.
She's good. My door doesn't shut right now, it's fine.
Yay.
All right, to the burn pile. We barely have brakes.
That's better than it was.
Yeah, maybe they'll keep coming around.
Because it literally had nothing.
It's crazy the pep I feel with the turbo
Yeah.
compared to mine.
Oh.
Oh, it smells like piss.
Yep.
So bad. Ah, the old burn pile. Oh, jeez. Come on, brakes. Okay, now for the fun job.
If you call it that.
I'm gonna pull it.
Asbestos!
Ugh. There's the nest. Okay. There we go.
Had to
Whoa.
break the seal.
You stay there. Alright. Now I'll go in the fire. Get fire this.
Fire.
Well, that's a lot more presentable now.
Ta-da.
Examine and code. See what you need to do to solve your problems. Okay, now we go for a ride.
Fire it up, Wilson. Dang, she starts so good now.
She does start good now. I mean, she fought. Oh, I'm running over all the stuff we just pulled out. I think I can squeeze right through there.
Don't mind the ball of metal shrapnel.
Look, we're already off-roading.
Doesn't even need four-wheel drive.
No.
Oh!
Man, that felt church pew-like.
It did.
Oh, it's driving like a dream, I think. Brakes? Almost.
At least we have something.
Yeah, there's nothing for the e-brake at all.
No. Well, yeah, it's not all hooked up, right?
No. We'll ease out the driveway here, see? Okay, good. The rich neighbor ain't out. I don't want him to judge me.
Wow.
There's my brother. Hi, brother.
She feels a little peppy.
She is a little peppy. Peppy Le Pew, because it stinks. It actually feels decent.
Yeah, it does.
That little tick, though.
Yeah, I don't
if that's
know.
exhaust leak or what. Or that just is the way it is. Oh, yeah. She feels way better than the 92 Power Stroke did. Way better.
We don't have a trail of smoke following us.
Really? So
Yeah.
she stopped smoking.
It's pretty clean.
Now let's see how she does with a little bit of beans.
Don't run over the mailman. He's got my Amazon packages.
Aside from the burning oil smell,
Yeah.
and the poop smell, and the pee smell,
It's not
and the
too...
screwed up steering wheel, it's not bad.
And we're going 90.
Ah, you don't even feel it.
She rides pretty nice.
She does ride pretty nice. She's a big truck. It's long. I think the heat is, oh no, there's a huge gaping hole in the firewall. It's blowing heat and exhaust fumes here.
Oh, I see it.
Uh-oh, there's my nice neighbor up there. Let me pull into the house real quick. Ouch. Uh-oh, play date's still going on. I can't go home yet.
Is that the tire?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe we need to cut more.
Yeah, we need to cut a little more, but that might have been inside rubbish.
Oh, yeah. Fender rubbish.
Oh yeah, home sweet home. Do I leave it here? Seems like the Christian thing to do.
Yeah.
Go ahead and work on it a little bit more.
Yeah.
The brakes happen better? Hey, they're coming around.
A little bit. I don't know. I don't think you got a vehicle here that can take us back, though.
Oh, I think I do, and we're staring right at it.
The Super Sammy?
Yes. river in your boots, Ford.
We made it.
Wow.
Oh, you turned it off with the switch?
Yeah, the switch turns it off.
Oh, very nice.
I'm a little impressed.
Me too. This is a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Same.
But it ain't no Duramax.
Oh, we're smoking something under the hood.
These things happen.
Let's take a quick peek. Oh, it's just oil burning off.
Or is it diesel out of this #1 injector? Or I guess this would be #2.
They're all #2.
Because it's rather moist.
Perhaps.
Up in yonders.
Probably it's what all those return lines are for.
Yeah.
That's a problem for another day. Let's wash it. Well, it's a new day. Ignore what you're hearing over here. We need to see if it'll start. It's been sitting for about, I don't know, a few days. Boy, somebody's having some bad luck over there. That's another episode. Key on and crank till the cows come home. Typical Ford. We got all sorts of smoke happening, so it's trying. It might need to, it wants the bottle. It wants the bottle. It doesn't like not having its bottle. It's like a baby. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. That's all it's gonna want. I'll start. I know it will. Ugh. Come on, baby, roar to life. Woo. Bottle fed. Oh, yes. At least the mosquitoes are gone, huh?
I think so.
Yeah. So Christmas came early. Not really. Christmas came late. And we got dun 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 adapters.
Yay!
They might work.
It should.
Hopefully.
I don't want to fit our wheel we drilled. Well, it's almost like it's taking it from a 6.5 to a 170.
And we need backwards.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, they're backwards.
Yep.
So now I gotta return them.
Way to go, Jerry.
You win?
Yeah.
No, we lose. Those are wrong.
You ordered the wrong ones.
Well,
Roid rage.
time to switch them out at the Amazon UPS store. Fiddlesticks. The door has been opened.
To reveal all the poop.
The poop we didn't get. Wow, what a pain. So there's a cable in here for that booger right there.
And you left it over there.
Yep. It came with a broom.
Huh?
For your poop.
Oh my.
And then you have your, ow! Ah!
What'd you do?
Ah!
Oh, thump it in.
No! Ugh.
Got a nice poop filter.
A
built
filter,
in.
you see, you'll send the poop down, but you'll be able to screen out all the stuff you actually want to keep, see? Ugh. Ugh.
You just got injected with the new mice flu.
Probably.
It's gonna take over the world.
Good. Lions, not sheep. Ugh. Okay, this one. Well, now that's all on my concrete grate. Keep it going, maybe right there. Man, it's a limousine. Now to commence to cleansing and purify.
That's nice.
That's disgusting. The smell is awful. By awful, I mean bad. Like, that's pee and poop. All of that is.
Question:
Huh.
should you spray the ceiling down first?
Probably it's not too bad. Oh, since we took the headline out. Urine and poop. Feces and urine. Pee pee poo poo. Pee pee poo poo caca. Ugh. Disgusting. More pee pee poo poo. Well, we got her grand spanky clean, and now I order different wheel adapters because they were backwards. And then we'll see it in its true full glory with way less poop. Way less poop. Well, it's clean, but small problem. Final form is not going to happen. Wah, wah, wah. We blame the Amazon. The spacers were supposed to be in a week ago. They got delayed or canceled. requested a renewal, and once again, took too long. And we're out of time. So, here she is, and I think I know its fate. My welding truck. This truck, it's not worth saving. The motor runs rough. The interior's kind of trashed. It's been molested too much for it to be worth it to fix, in my opinion. Though it's a titled truck, but has a factory turbo. We put on my welding truck. It has a solid front axle. We'll put on my welding truck, and this will make this truck 1,000 times better than what it is now. Even though it's perfect, but it'll be even better. And this one, look, it's got body panels I could use one day. It's got some stuff. Another transmission, another transfer case in case it ever goes out in this. It only makes sense. So, unfortunately, it's its fate. But if you remember seeing in the background when we got this one going, we have another diesel to revive soon. So, thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all very much. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, all of it. A huge thanks to Zane for being my best buddy and helping me with all this. And we'll see you next time. Happy hunting.